Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by confirming the basics. Check Android Studio and JDK compatibility, then open the project from its root folder so paths resolve. Once done, inspect settings. Gradle to ensure the missing module is listed with include module name, because Gradle reads that file first. Also, make sure the Gradle wrapper exists and points to a supported distribution. Make sure you have internet access if dependencies need downloading. If any path is wrong, correct it immediately and resync the project so Android Studio recognizes modules. Now you focus on the core fix, open settings. Gradle and the module level build. Gradle to align names and path declarations because mismatched names cause module-init specified errors. Next, confirm the module folder actually contains a build. Gradle or build. Gradle. KTS file if it is missing, add a minimal file and apply plugin. COM, Android, library or COM, Android, application as appropriate. Once fixed, run file sync project with Gradle files and monitor the Gradle console. Address dependency or plugin errors that appear. To finish, close the project and clear IDE caches by deleting the IDEA folder and the Gradle cached files, then re-import from the project root so Android Studio regenerates module metadata. After import, run clean project and then rebuild project to force module discovery. Verify the module shows in the project view. If things go wrong, focus on one troubleshooting tip. Examine the Gradle sync logs for could not find module messages and double-check include module name, path syntax, and relative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.